What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Blobinati Central. Welcome back to Blobinati Islands. Today is episode 8. We are back playing Minecraft on our Blobinati Islands world. Last episode, we built that thing. That thing makes mobs dead. And it's good. Yeah, so we built that last episode, which is like pretty cool, you know. And let's see what drops we got, because in between episodes I just did a little tiny bit of handiwork, you know, just the usual, cleaning up stuff, organizing chests, you know, AFK fishing and whatnot. Nice, yeah. So we're actually getting stuff, which is great. In today's episode, I want to build some things. Well, I want to build one thing, and then I want to get started on another thing that will probably take a really long time. This is the really big project, so I want to build an underwater tunnel thing to get from this island to that island faster. I was thinking about getting a nether portal, but I think they'd be too close and they just link up to each other again, which is not what we want. So what I'm actually going to do is just build an underwater tunnel. It'll start here, go down there. There'll be like a circular central hub area that'll have branches off to different islands and stuff, and it'll be super great. So we can go under there instead of having to take a boat and turn the boat around and get out of the boat, because that's weird. So that's the really big project that we need to work on. And the second project that I wanted to work on... Oh my gosh, there's a turtle in my boat! Hello, buddy, how are you doing? Oh, no! No, don't die, turtle. You are awesome. Why is he dying? Oh. If I go in there, he dies. Oh, what did... He dropped seagrass. This is the first bit of seagrass, because we have to go miles to get it because of the train generation. Put you there. In between episodes, I did a little bit of digging under the ground, and you guys won't believe what I found. You won't believe what I found. Jump cut. Alright, so it's down this really long corridor underground. You can see that. Guess what? I found these things. I mined for so long, and I found these diamonds. So, yay, we can make things with them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yay! Yay! And stuff. Yeah. Wow. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna save them because I don't know what to make with them. I was gonna make a diamond pick and then we could totally enchant it and beef it out, you know? But I need like some more mending books, which I need to get from AFK Fishing, which I can do in between episodes, and then we can just like make awesome things and stuff that we need to do the thing. My other idea for today's episode is a chicken farm. Now, for you guys who don't know, chickens are animals, and they have 2 legs, and they're yummy. So, we need seeds and things, and we need a bucket of lava, and some other stuff. You go there. Bucket. I need 1 bucket. And I need some blocks to make it out of. I was thinking stone bricks, but we don't have that much stone. So for a chicken farm, I need eggs and seeds, which would be down here in this area, and also my carrots grew, so that's good, I guess. Dispenser, yay, dispenser. We have a dispenser. We need a half slab. Wait, no, I want to use stone brick slab. Yeah, and that. We need those 2, and we need the other thing, which is some comparator. I need 1 comparator. Carpet. I need carpet. That's the other thing. There is wool in... There's already black carpet in there, so that's good. Oh no, I also need a hopper. The hoppers is from iron and from the wood. Next episode, I'm gonna fix the roof of our house and finish that. Because that's still not finished. We're gonna need some chests, dude. Sure, let's just make all of them for good measure. And sleepy time has to happen. And then, yeah. Alright, that's all we need for our chickens farm. Let's get over there and build it in our second farm of the industrial district. Super cool mob farm. Hell yeah. Right there. Okay, chest. Then we have a hopper going into a chest. Then we have a slab on top of the hopper. And then that's where the dead chickens go to die. And then we put some blocks here. I forgot how much, but there needs to be a dropper thing, dispenser thing here, and that's what's gonna have, whoops. So, put the eggs in there, and then we need a comparator over here. Comparator on subtract mode. And then we need some of these. Yeah, I totally forget. Alright, there's the lava. Oh, we got a thing. We picked up a lava and got an advancement. That's cool. I am hot stuff. Hit me up, ladies. My phone number is, actually I can't give that out for legal reasons. But I wish I could. Right, so you need the glass in there. Because the glass is good.
To build this, we're going to need an area of land that is 3 blocks.
Okay, guys. So, I have made some progress. I forgot how to make it, so I had to watch the video tutorial again. This farm, this is not my own farm. This is Xisazama, I don't know. Exasuma Void. I have no idea. His tutorial, pretty good. So basically, I needed that to go there, and so yeah, that happens, and then that's like that. Boom, 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 and then this is where the chickens go. So you need to make the chickens go into there, which is why I have seeds made out of wheat. And let's go get some chickens. There were a lot of chickens on this island. And then I slaughtered them all. So I don't think there's any. I say that we go on a mighty quest for some chickens. Hello, little island. You got any chickens? Next island. Yay! Okay, so we've generated all these chunks, but not those chunks or those chunks, and seagrass is spawning over there, so that's pretty good. Hello, Mr. Cow, have you seen any chickens? You have not? Die! No way! Guys, there's another ocean monument! Oh my god, and there's a coral reef! What? There's another one? There's another... What? That's so crazy. And a coral reef. When you're looking for chickens but accidentally find another ocean monument and a coral reef. Oh my god, is that that's an igloo. Guys. How lucky, yet unlucky can I be? I don't want ocean monument and coral reef. I'm looking for an igloo. Oh, this one has a secret lab. Oh, but it is water-filled. A little bit. Ooh, potions. Weakness. Golden apple. What do? You give him weakness and a golden apple and it turns into a normal guy, right? Do you give it first or after? I don't know. Whoa. That's the first time that I'm doing that. Oh, I accidentally gave it to myself also. Oh, whoops. That's okay. Yeah, we found I'm just gonna take that and that. A chicken! Yay! Oh, only one of them can fit in my boat. I only need one of you. Hey, I'm towing a chicken. Okay. Might be lost, but that's okay. This chicken is gonna be our chicken. Is that ocean ruins? Oh, hey, look, it's ocean ruins. We should explore that right now. Because there's chests in it. Kind of, maybe. Nice. We are going to drown, though. Okay, what do we get? Wait for my oxygen. Treasure map. Nice. And there might be something else in here. Somewhere. What's in here? Another thing. I'm stuck. No, I'm not. Okay. So that's the industrial district. And the second ocean temple. I just want to see it one more time. Make sure I'm not crazy. That's pretty cool. They're really close to each other also. It was somewhere over there. I'm too lazy. Let's go back. Come on, chicken. Get out of the boat. Chicken. When I come up here? Yeah. It's nice. Chicken. You are trapped. Now that you are trapped, I need to block you in there. But I don't have any blocks. Oh wait, yes I do. Haha. Iron bars. When you use iron bars as a scaffolding material. Okay, we have our chicken trapped in there. How do I even get these iron bars? Don't remember. And then when the chicken lays its eggs, then its eggs will pop out and become chickens and be super great. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Blobinati Islands. If you enjoyed, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because subscribing makes me smile, because I'm super good at life. So, yeah, thanks for watching episode 8 of Blobinati Islands. Please subscribe, and good night.